Hello and welcome again. We have our question on the board and we are going to find the value of x. Let us go ahead and solve this question. Solution. So we have the root of 5, root 5, root of 5 equals 125 raised to the power x. So the first thing to do would be to square both sides. Okay. So when we square both sides, we have equals 125 x raised to the power 2. So for the right hand side, we have that a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power mn. Okay, right. So now for the left hand side, the 2 cancels out the first square root. Okay, so now what we have is 5 square root of 5 and square root of 5 equals 125 raised to the power 2x. Okay, so we'll go ahead and square both sides again. If we square both sides, now we have 5 raised to the power 2 dot square root of 5, square root of 5 again, squared equals 125 raised to the power 2x dot 2. This 2 cancels the square root. So we have 5 squared is 25 times 5 root 5 equals 125 raised to the power 2x times 2 will give us 4x. Okay, now 25 times 5 will give us 125 root 5 equals 125 raised to the power 4x. Okay, so if we square both sides again, okay, so now we have 125 squared root of 5 squared equals 125 raised to the power 4x times 2. So here we have 125 times 125. 2 cancels that square root, and we have 5 equals 125. 4x times 2 will give us raised to the power 8x. Now, we know that 125 is equal to 5 raised to the power 3. Okay, so now we have 5 raised to the power 3 times 5 raised to the power 3 times 5 raised to the power 1 equals 5 raised to the power 3 times 8x. Now, a raised to the power m dot a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. So let us apply this to the left hand side of the equation. So now we have 5 raised to the power 3 plus 3 plus 1 equals 5 raised to the power 3 times 8x will give us 24x. Okay, so now we have 5 raised to the power 7 equals 5 raised to the power 24x. Right, so now because we have the same base, all right, we can equate the powers. All right, so now 7 is equal to 24x, or 24x is equal to 7. So to find the value of x, we can divide both sides by 24. And so therefore, the value of our x is equal to 7 divided by 24. And this is our answer. Right, so we're not going to stop here. We're going to go ahead and verify our answer. Okay, now what was our question? So the question was square roots of 5 root of 5, another root of 5 equals 125 raised to power x. Okay, so let us rewrite the left-hand side. Left-hand side can still be written as 5 raised to power half, or rather, let's say this, root 5 times double root 5, and then times triple root 5. Our x value is 7/24. Root of 5 is the same thing as 5 raised to power 1/2. Double root of 5 is the same thing as 5 raised to power half, dot half. And then the triple root is the same thing as 5 raised to power half, dot half, dot half. Okay, equals 125 raised to power 7/24. Okay, so what we're trying to achieve is to see if our left-hand side will be equal to our right-hand side. So here we have 5 raised to power 1/2 times 5 raised to power half times half will give us 1/4 times half times half times half times half will give us 1/8. And we're trying to see if that's going to be equal to 125 raised to power 7/24. Okay, so earlier we stated that a raised to power m dot a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. So here now we have 5, because we have the same base of 5, raised to power half plus 1/4 plus 1/8 equals 125. We can rewrite that to become 5 raised to power 3, 7/24. Okay, so if we add this up, we have 2, 4, and 8. The LCM will give us what? 1, 2, and 4. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. This is equal to 8 if we multiply. So we have 5 raised to power 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8, all divided by 8. 2 in 8 will give us 4. 4 in 8 is 2. 8 in 8 is 1. This is 5 raised to power 3, 7/24. Now what we have here is 5 raised to power 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7/8. On the right hand side we have 5 raised to power 3 times 7 divided by 24. Now 3 here is 1, 3 here is 8. So the left hand side is 5 raised to power 7/8, and our right hand side is also 5 raised to power 7/8. So we can see that our left hand side is equal to our right hand side. Therefore, our value of x, which is equal to 7/24, is the correct answer. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Every time I send a video, you'll be the first person to get the notification. Thank you for watching today's video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.